Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing ProtonVPN on the Firestick. This is still best VPNs, free VPNs at this time. We'll just move across to find, drop down to search and enter in Proton, which has already appeared in the list. So once you see it, you can just select it, click again and click to start the download. So it's now installed. We can launch the application. In order to use it, you will need to sign up for an account, which I will show you the steps to do so. In your search engine, type in ProtonVPN. That will bring you to this home page. Then we will click on Get ProtonVPN. From here, we will select Get Proton Free. Then we will select Continue with Free. And finally, we will enter in the email address we wish to use for the account and set a password. So once you've logged in, you will see that you are on the free plan and that you have access to 10 countries on one device. Right, so once you have ProtonVPN installed, we will need to connect it to our account. So if we click on ProtonVPN, click on refresh to get a new code. Right, so now on the mobile device, enter in the code that you see on the screen. And then hit verify code, and now we have the device connected and we now have access to ProtonVPN. Just a quick tour, you have all the free countries accessible listed along the top, so Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Romania, Switzerland, and Canada, Mexico, United States. These are all the free countries. Oh, and Japan and Singapore. So we'll just quickly do a test. Just connect to United States quickly. Just hit connect and click OK. Okay, and that's connected to United States. As you can see, the IP address has changed. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If this has helped you out, please drop a comment, a like, and subscribe. Wishing you all a happy and prosperous new year for 2026. Take care. Cheers.